Possum Hollar. We still got an hour.
Yeah. All right.
Oh my God.
There's no escape. This is the worst maze. Still outside. Fool you again. I didn't fool you, did I? Fine. Let's get my dapper all in order. I was like, damn, did I drop my ticket? No, I did not drop my ticket. It's right here.
Coming in to see the Possum family?
Sure am.
All right.
Well, thank you.
Enjoy.
I will.
Next up is it.
Maybe I should go over this
Hi.
way. You know, where you actually go.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Y'all want to come close to the Possum cage?
You get the.
We ready to go get some Possum Hollar?
Yeah.
There's so much. I still like the way that this goes versus the first year we went through it.
Oh yeah. Who's coming? Oh my gosh.
Somebody's coming down the.
Yeah.
Oh no. It's a possum kid.
No, I think it's a possum baby.
A possum baby.
You know, they make possum into a burger. It would be an impossible burger. There's some bones on the ground. I don't know.
I don't know. I think we might be in trouble here.
Remember that horse they had?
They had a horse.
Yeah, I think this
It's
is what's
probably
left of
dead.
it.
That's why.
I hear the band's back together. We'll get to that next. Which reminds me, earplugs. Not a bad idea for trailer park, but we're gonna get that next. First, I'm gonna holler at some possums.
Oh my gosh, it's a chicken.
Okay. Go.
Okay, there's a ladder that goes up to a little lookout spot. In case you want to hide, I guess.
That's what you get for cutting in front of us. We're just taking a nice little stroll through the woods right here. Dave. Ah! That. Okay. Hey, I was gonna say, Dave, I'm scared.
Yeah, I peed a little too. I mean, scared too.
Don't be peeing out here.
It's okay. They said they said in Clownwoods we can fart. So.
Oh, I'm so glad I wore boots tonight. Oh, that's me. Scary. All right, it's getting dark here now. I can't see nothing. Oh, thank
I
God.
didn't expect the other scare.
I kind of see this turn right here.
I can barely see the Bret
It's
in front
okay.
of me.
Do you need me to help you, guide you?
Yeah, maybe a little. I mean, I can mostly see. Ooh, we're going into a town.
Okay, all right.
Cool. The first year they had this, you couldn't even see the town. It was really dimly lit. Like, I know it's
Oh.
spooky and all that, moody and stuff, but it's a pretty cool town they built out here, and it's like, I want to see it. So this is like really, really good amount of light. It's not too bright. There's a lot of logs around here.
We're here to see the possum.
Don't pass the benches. Take a right turn, please. Thank you.
Thank you, drive through. So Kirby Family Farm does a bunch of other events, and I believe they use this town for it's like a
They're
13
Western.
gun salute or something like that. Should remember that. Something about guns and saluting. There's a bunch of, actually it's a bunch of events that happen in the year. I guess you just have to go to the website and see it yourself.
Blacked out maze.
Yay!
Blackout maze.
All right, let's get into the blackout.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, good. I can see just enough. Okay. No one's home. Yeah, they say that, but
I'm
they're trying to take your
afraid.
pizza. Oh! 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 Oh!
Watch your step. The last one's a doozy.
Yeah. Ooh, that possum had bad breath.
So, is that Scary Train?
It is, yes.
Looks like they're.
That's a tractor.
Looks like,
they're building something new.
I think they're rebuilding it.
Or that, whatever. Construction of some sort.
All right. It was much smoother than the last time we went, last year when we went there, that we were standing in line for a little bit.
Standing?
Last year we did come here very, very late in the season.
Yes.
So it was probably the reason why.
If you
Yeah.
can walk as far left to the caution tape as possible, there's mud all behind me and I'm
Oh,
gonna tape
okay.
fall.
I would love to
Yeah.
see him fall though.
I mean, I'm recording, so at least there's that.
He knows I love him for that.
Well, he knows I'm recording, so he meant that like in a
was-
good way. Like it's good for my
value.
channel.
It was production value.
Yes. Well,